Go get him.
Mommy, do it.
I can't.
You gotta get him in there.
But I can do it. I can't.
You got him?
Yeah.
He's getting a big boy.
Yeah. That means he's gonna get too heavy.
He's gonna get too heavy?
Yeah.
Alright.
He's gonna go on my face.
I got him.
Where's he going?
He's going on my hand.
He's over here.
Sophie, you wanna hold him?
Over here. Oh.
Wait, hold on, back up. Let Sophie's turn. Come on, he's reaching for you, Sophie. You have to put your hand out for him.
Yeah, like this. See?
He wants Sophie. Don't screaming.
You're gonna scare him.
You want Sophie?
Yeah.
Okay.
He likes Sophie's pink shirt, I think.
My pink shirt. And
Some
he
pink shirt?
likes. And he likes my. And he likes my sweat. And
So, oh look, I got him. Relax. I got him. I got. You okay?
Good. Come on.
What did he do? What did he do to you, Sophie?
Look, Mommy.
What's that, red? What's that on her head?
Red.
Let's.
Relax. Don't move. I got him.
What are you gonna do to him?
Nothing.
You just think me. I want to hold him again.
Go back. Oh, he doesn't even want to go back in his cage.
Who?
Red doesn't want to go back in his cage.
Red, here. No, Red doesn't want to go in his cage.
No, Sophie, don't do that. Put that back. That's dirty.
I want to hold them. I want to hold him.
Mm.